Hey everyone, Nathan Stein at Airstrike Ag, and today I'm here with Kyle Lunsgaard with Vertical Ag, and we're going to go ahead and show you the trailer that they've been putting together here, and we've got a couple XAG units up top, and we're going to go ahead and do a flight. Okay, so we're up here. We're on top deck of the trailer, and the wings are fully deployed. It's pretty big area to operate out of.
Yeah, so we're 29 foot in the center here on the wood deck, 24 foot on the wings. They're in two sections on each side. They have an electric actuator with a brace, so everything is secure, and you can
Walk out on the
walk out.
Yeah.
And
you don't even have the legs out or anything like that, right?
Nope. We have optional outriggers on the back. It's an electric jack, and we just don't have them set up currently.
As you can see, I can walk around this P150 out here with no problem whatsoever. So you do have room for these. I mean, there's a larger aircraft,
It's a large
of course.
aircraft, yes, absolutely.
So it needs this extra space to just, to have for the propellers. We don't want to have them next to the other ones. So this actually improves a lot of that area, as well as, landing there. So we could actually move this drone, like a P100Pro. I could pick this up and scoot it out here and launch from here when I'm landing. Or when I'm taking off.
So our thought is the work area would be the wood deck in the middle, and you kind of work off the mesh on the outside, just for safety factor. That's you're 7 foot farther from the end. It's just kind of a little sense of security being able to walk on the wood and use that kind of as your operating area.
Yeah, and I mean, again, with like a XAG product line, they have fills on both sides. So if you do land right here, what you're ending up with is it's pretty easy to fill from here.
Well,
so this would work out good. Yeah. No, I like this. This is really interesting. So it looks like we could maybe even get 4 aircraft up here if we really wanted to.
Yeah, we were kind of looking at the P100Pros, and 4 would definitely be an option.
Sure. Obviously, the P150s are a much bigger machine, and so you're going to have to give that girl a little more extra space. But the hatch, you got a steel door here, it looks like, so we don't have to fall down.
Yep.
That's good. And there are railings, obviously.
Yep.
For the outside.
Yep, there's a railing, yep.
Obviously, you'd want to keep in mind, though, that if you have the railings up, you're going to probably keep your aircraft away from the
And that's why we suggest working off the center on the wood area.
That makes a lot of sense. Well, this is really cool. Hey, there's another really cool component, the office, right?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, let's walk in and check that out.
Office at a...
Yeah, we're in the office, probably a little bit echoey, but inside here, you got a really nice space. Now, this glass you said was...
It's all automotive glass. It's tinted. That way we don't have to worry about, God forbid something hit it. It'll spider web. It won't come crashing in on you.
Right.
Kind of some more of a safety feature.
Well, and I kind of feel safe. You got all these, this cage around here. That's kind of the same thing. I mean, if anything did happen, you'd be up here. And, we're all operating in the fields. We know, when these drones go by, putting on fungicide and insecticide, Lorazepam, whatever, I kind of don't want to breathe that in very bad.
Yes, you can smell it. It's too late, and it's kind of a safety net for the drift and all of that stuff. So that's kind of how we're looking at it. We didn't want to be inside, involved in all of that stuff and take the most of the exposure off as you can. So.
Right. And I mean, honestly, you stand outside for a lot of hours and, the sun's beating down on you. It's hot. It's nice to have a roof over the top of your head and stuff. It keeps the sun off of you. You're not getting, sunburned so bad. I mean, we're wearing sweatshirts today, but I mean, boy, in a few months, it's not going to be that way, right?
We put an optional air conditioner in them. This one does not have it, but it is an option. So, yeah, it makes those hot July and August days pretty bearable.
But that's not bad. No, and then we come out here. Now, I know you were saying as well that, where the chargers would sit. So like an XAG or something, we got those water tanks. We could...
Yep. So right here we have a cutout under this diamond plate for XAG models that have to have the water bath and that sort of thing.
Yep.
So then we can discharge our water and kind of switch it out throughout the day.
Yep.
DJIs, you can put them out here or inside. So yeah, I mean, we have a lot of options. We kind of thought ahead on kind of the major guys and drone companies and tried to make it as compatible as we could.
No, this is really cool. Well, honestly, this is really cool. I think the next thing we should do is probably take off and go fly a mission.
Yeah,
huh?
I think we should.
All right, cool. Well, hey, that was an awesome flight, and you know, hey, I came in really fast here, turned and slammed on the trailer really nice, but it sat right in the right same spot it took off from, so it's really nice to see that P150.
Yeah, that was really neat. It came in hot, and yeah, like I said, it dropped it down, and we're able to get in here, get what we need done quick and efficient. Off we go.
Now this has a dry hopper on it. What do you have to offer for like people that have maybe dry hopper?
We have a blower attachment that comes up, makes it real handy. You go from a 10-pound blower attachment to a 5-gallon bucket. You'll learn really quick which one is the most efficient. Come over, dump it in, go, off you go.
And then take it and load and stuff.
Yep.
And we're switching batteries right here. Got all this stuff right here, and then yeah, I could totally see that dry blower being a really great benefit for anybody doing cover crops and stuff. So, anyways, really good. Hey, let's go check out below here, and we'll talk a little bit about that. You know, tell us a little bit about the bottom deck of the trailer, quick.
Well, this trailer is optioned with a 1,000-gallon stainless steel tank. We made it in an L shape with baffles, so then we can put 2 cage tanks on it for either a foliar feed or additional water capacity. We offer 3 10,000-pound axles with 16-ply tires. This trailer is purpose-built for this, so there's a step that's built in there for ease of getting up and down. And then in the middle, there's a 6-inch deep tray to run our plumbing and our electrical down from our generator, which we'd mount on the front.
Well, that's really nice. Yeah, and what I really like is, I tell you what, there's many times you go up and down on these things. Having that drop step is really key. But this is really nice. This is a good thought.
A lot of take away a lot of trip hazards. So
yeah,
we offer lights underneath for, you know, if you get your exemption for night spraying, and yeah,
you're able to spray. Well, this is really great. I tell you, hey, Kyle, thanks a lot. I appreciate you coming down here to show the trailer. Hey, curious what everybody else thinks. Go ahead and post any questions you have about the trailer, about the drones, in the bottom of the comments, and we'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, hey, stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more videos like this coming up. Thanks.